This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Blue Horizon Group. Bedroom Margaret and Dave. Shinnebarger. Quiet location in snug harbor. 2-bedroom 2-bathroom upstairs unit with a spacious floor plan. Large bedrooms and large kitchen. Washer dryer in unit, screened lanai, community pool and covered parking. Minutes to downtown, 5 minutes to the beach, near shops and restaurants. Basic cable, water, sewer and pest control included. No pets. For more information, review the details below or contact Blue Horizon Group. Bedroom Margaret and Dave. Shinnebarger at 772-214-7910.